In this review, I will dive deep into Creatio CRM review, exploring its key features, the benefit, and the potential drawback to help you determine if it is the right fit for your business need. So to get started, what is Creatio CRM? Creatio CRM helps you manage all your customers' relationship, sales, and marketing in one place. It gives you minimum degree of freedom to customize the platform and accelerate its process. With Marketing Creatio, you can use the omnichannel marketing platform to connect with customers everywhere. It's like a super organized, customizable tools for your business. And here's the top benefit of the Creatio CRM, which is the boost efficiency, the improve the customers' satisfaction, and also you get access to accelerate sales and again a competitive edge with enhanced collaboration. So talking about the best features of this platform, it offers a studio of creations and also no code design and also a Creatio AI with a marketing application. Sorry, one more. So talking about the pros and cons, understanding the advantages and disadvantages of any software is like a crucial before investing. So talking about the advantages of this platform, it has a high customizable interface with an intuitive interface and a powerful automation with excellent customer support and strong reporting tools. And talking about the disadvantages, which is the content, it can be expensive, a steep learning curve, and a limited third-party integration with a mobile app could be improved. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful AI website.